Two members of the Legislative Yuan staff have been placed in home isolation as part of government efforts to contain Taoyuan's COVID outbreak.
One is a mailroom worker and the other is an aide of a lawmaker. In response to their isolation order, the Legislative Yuan is enforcing extra precautions to prevent viral spread on its premises.
It's negotiation time at the Legislative Yuan, and all lawmakers are wearing masks. That's because two Legislative Yuan employees have been put in isolation. One is a worker in the mailroom. The other is an aide of DPP lawmaker Lin Chun-hsien.
He immediately reported it to our office. Even before that, the offices of all lawmakers and aides living in Taoyuan were disinfected. So far, the situation looks okay. Currently, they are feeling well. There shouldn't be any problems. We've adopted the most cautious stance and we're implementing measures following epidemic prevention guidelines. If they have to isolate, they will isolate.
Due to the Taoyuan outbreak, strict health protocols are in place at the Legislative Yuan. Temperatures are taken at the entrance, and social distancing markers are in the elevators to limit capacity. Cleaning staff is constantly disinfecting surfaces with hypochlorous acid. The Legislative Yuan is taking zero chances, and a major disinfection is scheduled for the weekend. Meanwhile, one KMT lawmaker has taken out COVID insurance, which grants a payout of 100,000 NT if she's placed in home isolation. On Wednesday, DPP lawmaker Su Qiaohui spoke out against expecting the worst.
Just look at me. I'm from the Shulin-Inge area of New Taipei, right next to Taoyuan. If we're going to talk anxiety, who would have more reason to be anxious than someone like me, who's right next to Lin Chun-hsien's office? I don't think that excessive panic is necessary. Wherever we go, we must keep a face mask on. It comes down to our actions. There's no need to panic over the situation at the Legislative Yuan.
Tainan lawmaker Chen Tingfei called on fellow lawmakers to abide by public health guidelines to keep the coronavirus out of the legislature.